Welcome. In front of me I have COROS Pace 3 and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. First we need to open the system menu on our watch. To do it, press and hold the lower button to open the toolbox menu, then scroll through this menu by swiping on the screen or by using the crown button like this. Select the system option and then tap on it. And here scroll down, find the option called More Settings and tap on it. And then tap on Language. And here we have the list of languages. So find the language you would like to use. And once you find it, tap on it to select it and press the crown button to confirm. And the language will be applied. And then of course you can press the lower button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.